We have learned about many hardware devices, and now we are going to the display device. So one of the display is 8 into 8 LED matrix. So why is 8 into 8 LED matrix? Is because we have 8 LED in rows and columns. So that is why we call it as 8 into 8 LED matrix. So from wherever you count the LEDs, it will be 8 itself. So now it is a display module of totally 64 LEDs, that is 8 rows into 8 columns. So it can show letters, numbers, symbols, and simple animations. So imagine there is a chessboard with 64 tiny bulbs. So some are some LEDs are off and some LEDs are on. So example, we can say that we have to write a letter L. So we will turn on these LEDs in first row and first column. Then we can make a letter L. So the ESP or Arduino will turn on only the LEDs needed to make the letters. So we have seen that in some of our project videos, like how to turn on the LEDs of this 18 to 8 LED matrix. So now in this, pins are little bit different from what we had till now. So VCC is used to give the power to the module, and it is connected to the 5 volts or V in on the ESP depending on our board. So it is like a food for the module. So ground connection is it completes the electrical circuit. So it can say that it is a road back home for the electricity. Now here the main pins D in, CS and CLK. So D in pin is actually data in. It receives the data from the Arduino or ESP or any microcontroller which we are using. So example, ESP32 is saying that show letter A. So D in will get that, and it will be calculated in this IC chip here, and there will be the showcase of letter A in our LED module, and that instructs level of through the DN pin. So now we have a CS pin. So CS means chip select or load. So it is like listening to the data that I'm sending is for you. So when the ESP will send the data from DN, it will be calculated from the CS pin. So without CS, module won't know when to accept the new data. So this is like giving the instructions for the 18 to 8 LED matrix. Now CLK means clock, that we all know. It keeps the data moving and in the correct speed. So think of it like a teacher saying ready, go, and ready, go. So every clock pulse moves on bit of data, right? So this is how it will be working. So how exactly it works? So ESP creates the pattern and sends it to the DIN pin, and CLK keeps the timing, and CS tells the display to save the data, and the LED lights up to show the image for our screen. So what you can do with this display is you can make any smiley faces, hearts, any numbers from 0 to 9, and letters from A to Z, and you can use it as a clock and temperature and small games here, and also you can do a scrolling of text on this. So easy way to remember is VCC is used to give the power, and ground is to take back the power, and DN pin is used to receive the data from ESP or Arduino, and CS tells the display to accept the data, and CLK controls the timing. So an 18 to 8 LED matrix uses 5 pins, that is VCC, ground, DN, CS and CLK, to receive power and display the letters, numbers, symbols and patterns and animations sent by the Arduino or ESP or any other microcontroller. So this is how 18 to 8 LED matrix is built and it is used. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.